Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, well, it was actually China, someone looked at a tree and thought, what if we made this tree but tiny? And thus, the art of bonsai was born. Ancient Chinese practice of mending was all the rage. These miniature landscapes were Instagram worthy creation of their time, but without hashtags and filters. Fast forward to the 6th century, and Japanese got wind of this tiny tree trend. They thought, hey, we can do that too. And so bonsai, which literally means tree planting, made its way to Japan. And the Japanese, being master of Zen, took bonsai to a whole new level. They turned it into art form that required patience, precision, and lot of tiny scissors. Just imagine a samurai warrior, fierce and stoic, meticulously trimming a bonsai tree. It's like the ultimate juxtaposition of strength and delicacy. These warriors believed that tending to bonsai tree helped them cultivate patience and inner peace. Plus, it was a great way to show off their green thumbs. But bonsais was not just about looking cool. The tiny trees were believed to bring good luck and harmony to their owners. They were like original feng shui, but with more leaves and less furniture rearranging. Bonsai trees were even used in meditation practice, helping monks and Zen masters find their inner calm because nothing says inner peace like a tree that fits in your hand. As the time went on, bonsai trees spread across the globe, cultivating hearts and minds everywhere. Today, bonsai can be found in every corner of the world, from bustling cities to quiet countrysides. These tiny trees have become symbol of patience, dedication, and the beauty of the nature in a miniature form. So, the next time you see a bonsai tree, remember its hilarious and humble beginnings. From ancient Chinese emperor to modern day plant parents, bonsai trees have been making people smile for centuries. And who knows, maybe one day you will find yourself trimming a tiny tree, feeling like a Zen master too. I hope you enjoyed this light-hearted take on the history of bonsai tree. If you have any more fun topic in your mind, please feel free to share.